If you are using Amazon Fire TV Stick, sometimes using remote will be a little bit difficult, especially typing will be a little more difficult because it's not like mobile phone. You need to select every letters, and for selecting each letters, you need to scroll with your remote. So in that case, one easy method is that you can use Alexa. That means if you want to control your Amazon Fire TV Stick with voice, you can use this Alexa and control it. In this video we will be telling about that. This Alexa is like Google Assistant in your Android phone or Siri in your Apple iPhone. It's voice assistant of Amazon. Anyways, to access this Alexa, what you need to do is in your remote you can see a button like this. You need to long press on this button. Don't just click on this button, you need to long press. When you are long pressing, this Alexa will be activated. After that, you can tell whatever you want. For example, I want to search for one movie. So after long pressing and telling, search for 300 movie. After that, leave this. When you're leaving, you can see that result. Here you can see they have searched for that movie. And if I want to see this movie, I can click here and watch that movie. Likewise, if you want to open any application, you can do that also. For that, like before, long press on this button, and tell open YouTube application. After that, leave this. Now here you can see YouTube application is opened. After that, normally if you're asking this Alexa to search anything, it will mainly search in Amazon Prime Videos, Netflix, Hotstar, etc. It will not search specifically in YouTube. So if you want to search anything in YouTube, what you can do is you press on this button and tell search for latest movies in YouTube. After that, leave this, and when you're leaving that, you can see that result. Here you can see they have searched for latest movies, so I don't want to type anything. Just by clicking on this button, I can search for anything. So if you're using this Amazon Fire TV Stick, using this Alexa voice assistant is very helpful. So this way you can easily control your Amazon Fire TV Stick with voice with help of Alexa. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.